Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a super exciting video. We are going to be doing another Temu haul. I feel like it's been a while. Yes, it's been a hot minute since I've done one of these, and I just got 2 packages in and I want to show you guys what I got. I do want to mention that I am trying out this new tripod. It's one of those motion detecting ones, so if I move, it's supposed to follow me. How cool, right? So if it moves too much, I'm sorry. Maybe I just won't use it next time, but I really wanted to try it out. And plus I spent money on it, may as well use it. And I did get this one on Temu as well, so I will link it in case you're interested. Before I do this, don't forget, like and subscribe, and let me show you everything that I got. Okay, I can't remember how much I spent on this haul. I will put it here on the screen for you guys. It's gonna be hard for me to like sorry, I hope it's not going to be too annoying. Okay, so we will start out with this bag here, and I will show you guys everything up close, of course. Looks like some stuff has come out of their package. Okay, so we are not starting off very strong. This was supposed to be a 12-pack. These are 4D gels. Yes, I'm surprised that I actually bought more sculpting gels, considering that collab that I did with Anne, I was terrified, but because she forced me to do it, I realized how much fun it was and I had to get more, and I love the colors of these. They are a more muted color. Of course, I will show you everything up close, but I'm missing 2. So if it's not in this other package, which I don't know why it would be, I'm gonna have to contact them, so we'll see. Then I got this 6-piece, I don't know what this is. This is kind of like this is an Aurora solid glue. It comes with 6 different colors. So this is like the type that you can do like the Gel X method with. You would just use it as your glue instead of, you know, nail glue. And then you would already have the colors under. These look so pretty. And then I got 6 of these. These are solid builder nail gels. So kind of similar to these Aurora ones, but these ones are glow in the dark. I'm obsessed with glow in the dark, so I just had to try it. I got a pink, yellow, green, purple, blue, and a red. What was everything that was just in that first bag. Oh, I'm so excited. We will start with this. Okay, so this one is a stamper. And this one is special because this is like a dupe for another stamper. I can't remember the brand. I will see if I can find the brand. But basically what you can do with this is you can make the image bigger or smaller. Whereas a normal stamper, you get what you get. I have to figure out how this works. But the idea behind it is so cool, and I wanted to buy the other one that I found that I originally saw. It was a little bit pricier. Obviously, Temu was cheaper, but I'm gonna try this out and see how it works. And then I got this little tiny spoon. In my most recent video, I used metallic stones, and I thought something like this would be super useful to have, so I can just scoop up like glitter or my stones or anything like that. It's so cute. So I got that, and along the same lines, I got this silicone one. So this one has a spatula. I don't remember why I got the one with a spatula. These are so long. Yeah, so it came with 3 different sizes. These ones are silicone. Again, I got it for the purpose of scooping like little charms out from the container, or glitter or anything like that. I don't remember why I got the one with the silicone. Or with the spatula. I'm gonna have to figure that out. But yeah, so I got the metal, and then I got this silicone one. This one is long. This one's long. Next, I bought these magnets, and these are 2 different shapes. As you can see, 3 different shapes. I got round ones. These ones are square, and then these ones are rectangle. So these have nothing to do with my nails. I got them more so because I've been collecting a lot of charms, and a lot of them are actually big. And so I kind of wanted to do like DIY with them, like make magnets. Like you can make fridge magnets out of them, and they're so cute. So I just wanted to test it out with this. Nothing to do with my nails whatsoever. But if you want to see that, I can show you if you guys are interested to see what I'm talking about. I'm definitely going to be showing you guys my charm collection. I have to figure out what's the best way to do so, because it's a lot. I'm not kidding you. It's a lot. Oh, okay. So I got this here. So this is typically like an earring holder. You can peel this off, and it's supposed to be clear acrylic. I saw an Instagram reel of somebody using this to showcase their nail charms. So I wanted to do the same for my metal charms because those ones are fancier and I want to display them. I also got this. I don't need any more nail storage, but Daily Charm actually sells this. And theirs is obviously much more expensive, and I wanted to buy it, but I didn't want to pay the price for it. And I found it on Temu, so of course I had to get it. How cool is that? It comes with 35. I thought this was so cute. Like I said, I don't really need any more. I have a bunch of nail containers, but I might do my special ones in this one, so I love this. Now we're gonna do my nail charms. So there's not too much, but I really didn't need these. So, this one's so pretty. This came in a 5-pack. These are just like a butterfly rhinestone cluster. These are gorgeous, but it's weird because it's not really flat on the nail. I guess it does kind of have like a flat back, but oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I wish it came with more than 5, but I might have to get more. And then I also got these tulips that also came with 5 pieces. So it's got 3 silvers and 2 golds. These are so pretty. I love the different color tulip. So that was the main reason I got it, because otherwise I have tulips already. Oh, and these are like a cat eye stone also. And then I got these hearts, and this is a 20-pack. I don't know why I got this because I feel like I have stuff like this. It's just different. Okay, yeah, these were the cat eye set. So these are cat eye stones that just have like a different shape frame. So that's why I got that. I love the cat eye stones. These are so cute. Next, I got these little Christmas metal charms. I am preparing for the holiday season, and this comes in a, I believe, a 20-pack also. It just has gloves, stockings, snowflakes. Is that a fish? Looks like a fish. Christmas tree, gingerbread man, a wreath, candy canes. So there's a good variety in here. Reindeer. Oh, I love these. These are adorable. Bells. Okay, yeah, these are cute. So I just been stocking up on my Christmas nail charms as well as my Halloween nail charms. Next, we have these two. These are the exact same but different colors. I thought I got all 3 colors, but I guess not. So I got these gold and kind of like gunmetal scorpions. I thought these were pretty badass. And these come in a pack of 20, I believe. These are so cool. They have an actual silver one, which, like I said, I thought I got, but I guess not. And then finally, my absolute favorite charms that I got are these little balloon dogs. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. I've been seeing balloon dogs like of all different sizes, and I really wanted to get some. I actually have some on the way that are micro. So they are a lot smaller than these ones, believe it or not. And they're perfect for nails. But you can actually use this one for nails as well. And they're so cute. And these ones are alloy, zinc alloy. So yeah, they're like a metal. So they're pretty good weight to them. And this comes in a pack of 10. These are adorable. I love these so much. And you can see they have like the little ring hole. So you can use this for like earrings or necklaces or keychains, other DIY projects like that. Yeah, so that is it. I'm going to make sure I link everything in the description below, of course. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me as always. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I do have a couple more hauls coming, not necessarily Temu, just random things, so stay tuned for that. So I will talk to you guys later.